Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm very excited about this one. It's creating my cosplays, as you can read by the title. I am very excited about this video because I put a lot of time and effort into these cosplays. I'm recording this after the fact that I've already done everything. So that's why I say that. I know it was a lot of time and effort. And I got a lot of really positive feedback on my little Obanai series that I was doing with YouTube Shorts and on TikTok for making my Obanai cosplay. But technically that cosplay is for my friend who's going to cosplay with us at the convention. That's why I did those in shorts, and I did the ones that were for me in this video. Part of me kind of wishes I did do them in the shorts series because y'all ate that up. Y'all liked it. I got a lot of really awesome feedback from you guys, so it was really encouraging to you know, put out content like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope you actually watch it. So we're going all 3 days for this convention. We're going to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so that means we're doing 3 different cosplays. As you can see in this video, I basically did 2 cosplays. I showed you guys how I created 2 cosplays, which is Kirito and Mitsuri. Kirito, Sword Art Online, and Mitsuri from Demon Slayer. But what I didn't show you is a 3rd one, and that's because I really didn't have to do anything for the 3rd one. Laura and I will be doing Gojo and Geto from Jujutsu Kaisen, and we're doing the younger versions, obviously, where they're best friends. All I really had to do for that was paint this little gold button to put on my little turtleneck thing, and I bought gauges, fake gauges, because I'm gonna be Geto, obviously. So that's all I had to do for that one. I didn't have to make anything, really, technically. So everything else, though, you guys get to watch and see the process of a lot of trial and error. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a thumbs up and comment down below, and let's get on with the video. colors kimono, and my white fabric is under it. I'm going to try to make it, I'm going to use her kimono as an outline, but not exactly. Hers is a little different from how I want it. Basically, I'm going to make it like that, because Mitsuri's sleeves are like wide. So, but this will give me like a template, so I'm not just going in blind. I'm really nervous about this. This is the rough draft of Mitsuri's kimono. Actually, yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be okay. You gotta trust the process, right? Are you serious right now? She's laughing at me. She said she would never laugh at me, but yet I hear laughing. My heart's broken. I don't know why I didn't think about this sooner, but to make it even more even, I folded it in half so I can like try to line everything up and make it as even as possible, and then I can start trying to sew it. Hopefully this works out. Okay, so I just finished pinning all of this ribbon onto the shoes that I'm going to use for Mitsuri. She's got like cute little sandals that have bows, pink bows on them. And I've already had these sandals, so I bought this ribbon, but there wasn't enough of it, so I ended up just kind of trying to like give the illusion that they're all pink. I got them to finally match, and I only have this much left. But I'm going to tie little knots. I've already done on this one little notches to keep them in place, and that I can remove them when I'm done with the convention. But yeah, that's what I have for the sandals. Hopefully it looks okay. Okay, so in this last clip, I was sewing green fabric, and that was to make Mitsuri socks. And I had attempted to, and if you follow my TikTok, I actually explained it before, but it didn't go so well. This material sucks. It's not stretchy at all, and it wasn't cooperating, and what I had for the final result was absolutely garbage, and I hated it. So I had a backup plan, and I think it's good enough. So I'm a lot happier with this choice. I still have the same bands that I made, these navy blue bands. They don't look navy blue right now, but trust me, they're navy blue. And I ordered these socks from Amazon that are stretchy, and they've already got lines on them. So These are the socks. I think they look like her socks. Yeah. So, that was the final thing I had to make for Mitsuri's cosplay. I think everything's pretty much done. Probably gonna do some last minute touch-ups on things, but I think everything's completed. If you haven't already, go follow my TikTok. I actually uploaded them here on YouTube Shorts too. But I was uploading stuff on TikTok and YouTube Shorts of me making Obanai's cosplay, and my friend is going to cosplay Obanai, and I made the cosplay for her, and I did a little like TikTok Shorts series, and y'all ate that up. Y'all like that. So I kind of wish I had done that with the cosplays I did for this video. But I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up and comment down below. Yeah, I hope to keep making stuff and sewing. Next video will be the vlog of the convention, and hopefully everything goes well. So, yeah. Peace.